Yo, what is going on, everybody? It's your boy JP here, back with another video in a new light. Guys, we did a little shopping today. We got a new GoPro with the ultra wide lens. Guys, I want you to tell me in the comments if you like the ultra wide lens. Today we're gonna be talking about just a big mistake that a lot of small business owners make, and we're gonna be discussing that while we're doing a house wash. So I'm gonna quit yapping. Let's go ahead and hop on my head, and we're gonna do a first person POV of this house wash and share some information, add value to your life and business. Also, I do want to say before we get started, I am trying to start a community. It doesn't have to be for pressure washing or anything, but if you are a business owner or looking to get into business for yourself, we do have a Discord community below. There's only a couple of us in there right now, but feel free to join. The whole idea is to create a community, help each other grow, create a positive and motivated atmosphere in that Discord server. So link in the description right below. Go ahead and join, and I'll see you in there. But let's go ahead and hit this house. All right, guys, so we're in first person POV. I do just want to say, I hope the audio is good. This is the first time I'm filming on the GoPro, so do mind that. Hopefully we're getting some good angles, some good shots, and it's just a better overall experience for you guys other than just filming on my iPhone, right? But anyways, so this is just something I wanted to share. You think this is something that a lot of small business owners don't really take into account, because we're all trying to sit here and make the best product possible, and that should be the goal. But ultimately, I do think a lot of people do not invest enough time and money into their marketing. So in the last video, we talked about how people do not invest enough time and money into their knowledge, right? And so in this one, we're gonna be talking about, come on, man. So in this one, we're gonna be talking about how I believe a lot of small business owners do not invest enough time and money into their marketing, right? And as a business owner, it is kind of hard to invest your time into something like this, because one, it takes a lot of knowledge, and two, you have better things that you need to be doing in your business than focusing on your marketing. That's what marketing teams are for. And guys, if you are interested in partnering with me, and I do all my marketing for my business, and that's how I was able to go full-time at my second month in business. But I've been a serial entrepreneur for years and years and years now. So marketing is really my thing. I've been able to scale multiple businesses, make money in multiple businesses, just knowing how to create likable marketing and portraying what people want to see, right? So link in the description if you do want to work with me. But guys, as a business owner, you do need to have people filling that process, because of the fact that marketing is your bread and butter in a business. Marketing will always be your bread and butter. Without marketing, without showing a reason why somebody should spend money on your business, truth be told, you're not gonna be making as much money. Now, if you have a brick and mortar store, you have that going for you, but let's just look at this as an example. That sign above your store is a form of marketing. Even if it is just plain black and white text, people will look at it. So let's just say a good example is, I see a lot of massage parlors with just the text and nothing else. You'd be like special on the front and the window, but that's it. And just doing that is actually, it's good to start the marketing, but it's not what you need to create a thriving business, right? And everyone has different goals. I know that's a fact, but man, the absolute heights you can reach if you just focus on your marketing just a little bit more is absolutely insane, because it really is that important. Let's look at this for example too. Have you ever wondered why some rappers, if you listen to rap music, or just people in general in music, you look at some artists and you're like, how the heck did they get big? How did they, blow up, right? And most of the time, it's because they created a likable product or a likable personality that people connected with. Now, they might not have the best music, but people are still gonna listen to their music for the sole fact that they just genuinely like the person that made the music, right? A good example is, for me at least, Playboy Carti, right? If you don't know who that is, that's fine. But anyways, he got some questionable, in my opinion, questionable music. It's very mumble kind of rap. To me, man, I'm not here to judge Playboy Carti, but I will say, and I think a lot of people do agree, and his personality and unique fashion and everything like that, that really drives the demand for his brand, right? And honestly, you could argue and say that's why he's such a notorious figure in the rap community. And I know we're not talking about rap in this, I run a pressure washing company, right? I'm not a professional rapper, but marketing applies in multiple business models. And a lot of the times when you really realize that a lot of forms of marketing apply in different business models, that's when you start succeeding. because I feel a lot of people, especially people that have been in the marketing era for years and years and years and haven't really tapped into digital marketing as much, they think that what's been working for them is what they should keep doing. And they don't branch out and try to find something different that could work even better. And that's super important, because it's not just that's super important because even these days, it's not a random occurrence for a company to sit here and just have overnight success. With good marketing, anything is possible. Look at it, like look at crumble cookie, for example. Now, I love crumble cookie. Not really for the cookie, to be honest. I feel like there are better cookies out there, but man, their marketing is so on point. The weekly menu, everybody knows about that. Yes, that is a form of marketing, and that's part of their business model, but also it's to bring people in every single week to buy cookies. But they also have like simple logo, just kind of fit, right? Their little simple icon, the little guy with the chef's hat, and I'm sure if you've looked at crumble cookie at least a handful of times, you know exactly what I'm talking about, just speaking about it. So I say this all to say that good marketing could actually, your business isn't doing as good as you want it to, you could pull it from the underground, bro. Marketing is everything. If you need to rebrand or whatever, that's fine. Some people think if they rebrand or change the name of their company or whatever, they might lose their current customers. Well, that might be true. You might lose some current customers, but the amount of new customers you gain and then the current customers that might return is phenomenal. Man, why is it so windy today? I hate it. It's phenomenal, and it's definitely worth the while to learn new methods or hire an adequate marketing team. Yeah, man, no matter what your business is, always sit here and look at how you can improve your marketing. There's not a business model out there that cannot benefit from good marketing. I promise, there's not. If you're stuck on the idea of what is considered good marketing, guys, like I said, hit that link in the description. You have better things to do as a business owner than worry about those kind of things. That is my job. So if you want to connect, if you want to talk about that, and if you want to grow your business even more, click that link in the description. We can talk about it, and we can help scale your business or bring your business back or just grow it in general. So guys, that's really what I want to talk about in this video. Nothing too crazy, nothing too long, but marketing is so important. If you missed the last video, we did talk about the importance of knowledge as well. And I feel like if you don't know the importance of knowledge in a business, that probably should have been the first thing, heck, you should have gotten knowledgeable about before you started a business. So, but guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you like daily value added to your life and your business. That's all we do here, man. And I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.